Hi all, welcome to today's closing report. In the morning, we have seen there was some kind of pressure in the market. So exactly how we have just mentioned. So from that place, market has fallen. Both the Nifty and Bank Nifty has fallen till the yesterday high. That means whatever the gap up has happened, after looking at the pressure in the price, it just retested the previous day high. What happened was Nifty was strong, so could able to bounce from there and was able to break the day's high. And moreover, if you look at today's price sentiment for the Nifty is closed around day's high, and moreover Bank Nifty closed around day's low. Same like yesterday. So yesterday it was like Bank Nifty closing around day's high, Nifty was closing around day's low. So again the confusion and the kind of like expiry stuffs, and moreover we just have only 2 days to expiry, so those things are reflecting in the price pattern also. So again it seems to be like a kind of mixed emotions in terms of Bank Nifty and Nifty. So moreover, if you had listened to our morning view, you would have just monetized almost the Nifty. We expected the yesterday high to be tested, so it has tested. So I have not traded Nifty, whereas I have traded in Bank Nifty. So I was expecting 36,580 to 600 zone, like even we have discussed in the morning. So from there almost 300 point I just monetized, but only very small quantities. This is what I have been saying over this last 2-3 days, and looking at the expiry related stuff and that too monthly expiry related stuff, I was playing very cautiously, and that's what I'm saying. So even if the price momentum is up, because the lower time frame price momentum is up, but if you look at from a broader perspective on a higher time frame, market is almost sell on rise, and that's the reason why most of the time whenever it is rising at the important junctures we are facing pressure. So I am trying to monetize only that, and moreover looking at Nifty, possible that it can gap up. It is expected to have that momentum in that direction, whereas Bank Nifty structurally, if you look at the chart, even a 15 minutes chart, how the Bank Nifty is residing is Bank Nifty today high and Bank Nifty day before yesterday high seems to be overlapping, and that is the immediate supply zone which Bank Nifty will be facing pressure. Whereas if you look at Nifty, Nifty has cleared that kind of stuff, but yes, looking at daily chart now, open your daily chart and just see there is a reversal pattern called island reversal, but this is a kind of very rare occasion. But only thing is, if you wanted to trade this kind of reversal, obviously you need to have a little higher stop losses. So in case as per this one, if you wanted to have, so what is the island reversal is, somewhere the price will be here, the very next day it will be gapping up and stay there, and the very next day again there will be a gap, and the price will be like it's a kind of 3 different kind of islands will be there, and there will be a lot of differences between the everyday close. So if at all, if it is going to come down, then each gap will be trying to give the support. So that is the thing. But if you look at from the swing point to the entry point, you need to have at least 400 point in Nifty in case if you wanted to trade this. That's what I'm saying. So when you are trying to trade a book based pattern, no way it will be like favorable to real time traders. So you need to have a different aspect to looking at the chart, and then you need to have the kind of 360-degree approach towards looking at the chart, taking the data point of view, and then considering where and all you can have the favorable risk reward. So that is what will clearly like identify who's a good trader and who's just a paper based trader. So if you ask me for the day, then again so today I do not have any view for the closing, so but expecting as soon as even tomorrow also there is a possibility that it can gap up open, but based on the gap up open and based on the whatever data we are going to see. And moreover, Nifty option data seems to be slightly bullish considering the price action. It was supporting the price action which we have seen like closing at the day's high, whereas Bank Nifty, yes, Bank Nifty there were like slightly call writing put writing at the days starting, and moreover as the time goes in, the call writers were picking in. That's the reason why we are still unable to clear the morning highs in the Bank Nifty. And moreover, if you see India VIX is down by 10%, roughly 10%, and trading below 20. So exactly it is trading around 19.18. That means it is trading below 20. So from here on, if you see, so Nifty is up 1.46%, that is 246 points, whereas Bank Nifty is up just 322 points, and that too by 0.9%. So here itself you can see that Bank Nifty was not in sync with the Nifty. And moreover, as a price sentiment, we have seen Bank Nifty is almost traded or situated near closer to the day's low, whereas Nifty has situated at the day's high. So close is the towards the day's high. So here again the confusion of whether which will drive. So either the Bank Nifty is going to pull down the Nifty, or the Nifty is going to pull up the Bank Nifty is the kind of we need to do the like analysis, or you can say it is like it's a confusion state whether we need to go with the Nifty or we need to go with the Bank Nifty. Generally I go with the Bank Nifty. So I was yesterday I was expecting little gap up, that has happened, but looking at Bank Nifty now, again I am saying there may be a possibility because of Nifty tomorrow market can open gap up, but what I generally prefer is for the next 2-3 days view I always concentrate on Bank Nifty. So looking at the Bank Nifty action, I don't see a huge gap up. Might be in case in Nifty there may be 30 to 40 points gap up might be there, but in Bank Nifty, as long as today high is not taken out, because note this point, today high, day before yesterday high is now the clear supply zone in the Bank Nifty. So once that is taken out, yes, whatever the bearishness we have seen for the day or the sluggishness in the for the day can be neutralized as soon as the market takes over the day's high and the day before yesterday. So that seems to be like conclusive evidence that market is facing that too. Bank Nifty is facing the pressure at that point, and Nifty, as I said in the morning, my place for shorting the Nifty will be somewhere around 17,250 to 270 zone, and the stop loss could be around 17,320. So that is what even in the morning I said. So even I was able to capture the 100-point move, but it did not trade it. And if somebody wanted to have a Nifty specialized view, so wait for that 17,250 zone to 270 zone, because that's an important swing point, and you can think about 17,320 as your stop loss in case if there is tomorrow, if there is a bounce, if you wanted to capture in. So moreover, we will see how tomorrow the things are going to unfold, and moreover I think today net flow will be, and in terms of institutional data, net flow will be kind of inflow I am expecting, because Nifty was going up, so that means it's a good sentiment in terms of market, whereas though Bank Nifty days closed near day's low, but still it was staying in the positive zone. Yesterday it was like Nifty in the negative zone, Bank Nifty in the positive zone, but here though sentiment are slightly sluggish for the Bank Nifty, but both of them were able to close on a close to close basis, both were bullish. So we just need to see, and tomorrow we can analyze, and moreover from the 360-degree point of view. So again institutional inflow, and then moreover data point of view we can add, but only thing is next 2 days is the monthly expiry close. So whatever analysis you do, make sure that you have your position size in control, and also your risk management in a very tighter kind of view. So that's it maybe for the day from my side. Maybe at the end of the day or tomorrow morning we will see how the globals are affecting or how this is going to see, and then moreover again once the market opens up, let it settle for 10 to 15 minutes, then you can listen to our tomorrow's market opening analysis, then based on that you can take a view. So as of now, again I was very small quantities, but that too, like I don't have any directional basis, like I was slightly bearish. Thing was, even I do have small bullish positions, but that is only in terms of to negotiate my bearish position if there is a gap up. So that's it from my side as of today. Maybe we'll catch you later tomorrow. Hope you watched enjoying this video, and thanks for watching. So please be joining the tomorrow's opening market analysis if you wanted to know what's to be done tomorrow. Thank you. Damodharan.